Welcome back to Tolulicious Kitchen. Today we are creating a dish that is elegant and very delicious. I bet you've never seen fish fillet done like this before. Look at what we have here. It is super delicious, vibrant, juicy, and easy to prepare. Those are the fish fillet I'll be using today. Feel free to use any kind of fish fillet you have. You can use lax, you can use tilapia. Look at what I have here. I've washed it well and I'm going to cut it into the sizes. It depends on how big you want it. If you want, you can leave it a whole like that. After that, I sprinkled some salt on it and I also sprinkled some black pepper on it, just like this. After that, I tried to mix everything together for it to be well coated with the fish and black pepper. After that, I'm going to transfer it into a bowl and keep it in the fridge. I'll leave it in the fridge while I continue with the next preparation. So into this pot, I'm going to add olive oil. I heat it up a bit and I added diced onions and diced garlic into it, just like this. After that, I added Persely into it and I also added powdered garlic. Yes, I want it more delicious. I added garlic. I added oregano into this. After that, I also added seasoning. For the exact measurement, please check the description box or the comment section. You'll find it there. Then I mixed everything together and I'll saute it for 2 minutes. Just like this. It will give you the best aroma. You will love it. What I'm going to add into it now is my spinach. I reduced the water in the spinach by adding hot water on it and I drained it, squeezed it well. All right, now I sprinkle some salt on the spinach and I'm just going to mix them together. You can use fresh spinach for it, you can use frozen one. Allow it to defroze, add hot water and squeeze out the water. Let me quickly use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all my returning subscribers, to all my followers. Thank you so much for your love, for sharing my videos, for your comments. I appreciate you all so much. Newcomers, remember to subscribe, follow us. Into it, I added 1 tablespoonful mayonnaise. You can use creme fraiche, it goes well with it. I mixed a tablespoonful of all-purpose flour into some water and I added it into it. So I'm just going to mix everything together now and allow it to boil together for about 2 minutes. You don't need much time. It's okay like this. So instead, if you need to add salt, add it, but not too much. I turn down the heat. I'm going to allow it to cool down. Into this flour here, I'm going to add salt. That is all-purpose flour, what I have in there. I added salt into it. I'm going to add baking powder into this. So these dry ingredients, I gave them a good mix together and I made a well in between the all-purpose flour. So now I'm going to add fresh eggs into this. You can see it in the middle here, sitting well. And I'm going to add vegetable oil. Yes, please check the description box or the comment section. There you will find the exact measurement of everything I used. And I'm also going to add water into it. At this stage, all I need to do is to mix everything together. You can use your spatula just like this to mix it together a bit and then wash your hands and mix it very well with your hands because you will have the fillings and it will help you to quickly form the dough. Have you subscribed? If you haven't, kindly do so. Thank you. So I flour my work surface and I transfer the dough on it and I make sure that I mixed it well together. Like I've said, please, you don't need to over mix this dough. We are not making bread, but the salt, baking powder, eggs, vegetable need to come together. So after doing it like this for just a minute, it is very okay like this. So all I need to get now is my kitchen nylon. Yes, I forgot what it's called now. That is what I meant. So I'm just going to use it to cover everything together like this, to wrap it well, and I'm going to allow it to sit in my fridge as well. You remember we kept our fish in the fridge. I'm also going to keep this in the fridge while I allowed our spinach mix to get cool completely. So after about 20 to 30 minutes, I'm going to cream the baking tray I'll be using. You can cream it with melted butter or vegetable oil. I brought out now the dough, okay? But first of all, I flour my work surface, brought out the dough, transfer it on the work surface. Okay, lovely. It's now time to roll it out. I divided the dough into two. I'm going to wrap the half that I've just cut out of it. Now I will return it back into the fridge because I'm going to work with the first one first of all, just like this. Have you subscribed? If you haven't, please kindly do so. Kindly join Tolulicious Kitchen. You'll be glad you did. But please don't forget to share this video. Keep it till when you need it. Remember to share. Let your friends also see this recipe. They will love it. Their kids will definitely love it. Look at how it looks. I've rolled it out and I brought the fish out of the fridge. I'm going to place it like this. If you use the system to prepare it, it will make it a lot easier. I'm going to show you 3 different ways to make this for you. Okay, so I brought out the spinach. I'm going to put some on top of the fish like this. That is the first one. And I'm going to place cheese on it. Adding cheese to it is optional. If you don't want cheese, you don't need to place it on it. So I'm going to cut it like this in the middle, and you can just fold it like this. Like I've said, I'll be showing you 3 systems. This is the first one. So I'm going to cut it out like this. All I need to do now is to close the edges. You can see I'm folding it. Fold it like this and press it well. Then this is how it will look. I'm just going to place it on the creamed baking tray. This is the second one. You can fold it from right to left, then close the both edges. So feel free to choose anyone that you like. And the third one is what you're about to see now. I'm going to place this on the tray, and this is the third one. You can just cover it at once like this, and then use your hand to divide it and then cut it with pizza cutter. That's all we have here. So I'm just going to give them 2 or 3 slides on the dough. Please don't cut it through, just slide on it like that. And I'm going to egg wash it with egg white. I'm going to just use my brush to brush it just like this. You will love the color. I preheated my oven 200 centigrade, baked for 30 minutes. Lovelies, this is what you're going to have. It is a must try for everyone. If you have a child that does not like spinach or fish, try this. They will love it. You can call this a show-stopping meal. It is perfect for any occasion. Tastes super delicious. You can eat it just like this. It tastes super good. And if you love, you can also serve it with mayonnaise. You will love it. It is crispy outside, juicy inside. You can serve it with potatoes. It is super delicious. Look at how it looks. Save the recipe and give it a try. Thank you so much for watching.